Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the cam sequence direction for the cam feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now with our actual project open, we've looked at kind of the sequence numbers. How does that work and how it's not that relevant. There's some ways we can tweak it, but we'll cover that later. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at the sequence direction. This is pretty much the direction the cutting is going to be happening, because the cam feature is great for previewing things before you send it to the actual machines. Now I'm going to just select the cam feature here on the top primary toolbar and then look at what do we have available. So I'm going to use this little magnifying glass. Then we can zoom in here and look at this line. Okay, that shape's a bit dark, so if we go to the red one, we can find here's these little arrows on them. So these arrows will be indicating to you the direction of the actual what the cutting process is going to be going. So this is a great feature to be aware of. We'll just see if I can zoom here, if you can also see it a bit better. There we go, we can see those little arrows. So this is going to be showing the kind of direction it's going, so you can start getting the flow and the idea of it. Now if I add to, for instance, let's say we grab this shape, I'm going to add it to our plane. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not, we saw not cam, so yeah, make sure you get out of that. I'm just going to delete this one and add the new one, replace it, put it there. Now something to keep in mind with shapes with cutouts, you might not be able to see it on this actual preview, but that's why I want to cover it. So if we go to the magnifying, we can see the direction still looks the same, hits there, it's going to cut out this one and then go. But something to keep in mind, like you can see over here, the outside is going clockwise, but with cutouts on the inside, this will actually be going counterclockwise and then back clockwise. So that is something to keep in mind, which is which you cannot see on the actual preview. So cutouts in general goes the opposite direction of your actual outside of the shape. I'm not sure why they do that. Maybe it speeds up the actual process when they using the CNC machine. But like I said, just keep that in mind. It is a good thing to be aware of. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the sequence direction. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find your training video or the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.